Haya, bado wadhi mbele. Wanunga Aluru Lelektan, DRC Congo, Uganda. Mother-in-law Dhamaro. Wan Kenya luongo ni Maro. Dhamaro. Mother Mego. Wan luongo ni mama. Min. Brother Omira, Omega, my brother. Omira. Owadwa. Sister Nyamira, Nyamengo, my sister. Nyamira, the same hapo. Son Wuda, my son. Okay, the same. Daughter Nyara, the same. Nyara, Kenya. Brother-in-law Ora, my brother-in-law, the same. Grandmother, granddaughter Nyakwara, the same. Karkanyo chapo 10 bana. Kamupogore nka mother Mengo. Wanwalongo ni Minwa, Min, Mera, Kenya. Mother Minwa, Min, Mera. Mother-in-law Darmoro. Mother-in-law Min Chiega kata Maro. Yes, Maro. Walungo ni Maro. Mother-in-law Maro. Damaro. The same kanyo be. Mother imepogore ka. Alafu brother Mira, Umego, my brother pana. Brother Owadwa. Sister the same. Nyamira, Nyaminwa, Nyamira. Son the same. Woda. Daughter the same. Nyara. Brother-in-law Ora. Grandson, granddaughter the same. Nyakwara. Karakano sa chalo ra chala. Ora no bediga brother-in-law koso Ora in father-in-law. Ora ni father-in-law. Brother-in-law iluongo nango. Brother-in-law iluongo nango. Koso father-in-law ndio Ora. Father-in-law ndio Ora. Na brother-in-law iluongo nango. Owadgi chiegi iluongo nango. Nitie dhok joluo wadgi chiegi kaka iluongo. An wiyo wili koka.